Hello. Welcome to the audiobook series by Law School Buddy. Today's reading will cover the Lawyer's Oath. Let's begin. Lawyer's Oath. I do solemnly swear that I will maintain allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines. I will support the Constitution and obey the laws as well as the legal orders of the duly constituted authorities therein. I will do no falsehood, nor consent to the doing of any in court. I will not wittingly or willingly promote or sue any groundless, false or unlawful suit, or give aid, nor consent to the same. I will delay no man for money or malice, and will conduct myself as a lawyer, according to the best of my knowledge and discretion, with all good fidelity as well to the courts as to my clients, and I impose upon myself these voluntary obligations without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. And that is the end. If this audiobook has helped you, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. For more law school related contents, please check out Law School Buddy YouTube channel. Thank you so much.